Locker, and today I'm going to teach you how to start, operate, and park a manual transmission car. Alright, let's get started. So first, in order to start the car, you're going to need your foot on the clutch. You really can't see the pedals, but my gas is right here, my brake is right there, and my clutch is right there. So I'm pressing on the clutch, and alright. And right now I'm being blocked by a tree, so I'm going to go ahead and reverse out. So first I'm going to need to press down my clutch, put my car into the reverse gear, and I'm also going to need to press into my gas. And why is that cruise control thing here? And make sure my car is running at least 1 RPM, because if I don't, maybe take off my e-brake first, and make sure my car's at least 1 RPM, because if I don't, and I do try to change gears, the car will die. And why is this out of focus? Okay. Okay, I guess that's just gonna be like that forever. Alright. So now what I'm gonna also want to do is put my car into first gear, press with my foot on the clutch, of course, and press my gas and get it up to at least 2. And now I'm off, and I can take my foot off the clutch, and the car will coast like this. In order to stop, you're gonna want to have your foot on the clutch and then just press the brake. It's important to have your foot on the clutch when you do this, because if you don't and you brake, then you could do major damage to your car and it'll die, so nobody wants that. Alright, so I'm going to have my blinker on. I'm already in my gear. I'm going to press down on my gas and release my clutch slowly, and we're off. Oh, that sun is bright. Okay, now I'm ready for second, so I'm going to press in on my clutch and shift into the second gear. And now I'm off in that. So basically you'll want to shift up in gears every time you reach to around 3.5 RPM. Alright. Now I'm going to try to get up to third going this time. Now I'm going to show you what to do when you're coming in for a stop and how to park. Alright, so when you get to your parking spot, you're going to check to see if, when you take your foot off the brake, if your car's going to roll, which mine is. So there are 2 things I can do. I can, 1, set my e-brake and it'll stay still, or I can just put my car into gear and kill it, and then release my clutch, and it'll stay. But if neither of them hold, then just do both. I'm gonna do both for now. I'm just kidding. Alright. I hope you've learned something, and I hope you enjoyed the video.